What drove Bitcoin's bull market to $300,000? These indicators already gave us answers. It's truly surprising. Meanwhile, Ethereum keeps dropping, and various altcoins attempting a rebound are almost at zero. Will they truly rise in the next bull market? What is Big Time, a cryptocurrency that surged tenfold in a day? Can it still rise? Let's explore this with Morphlin Weekly. Hello, Morphlin fans. Welcome back to Morphlin Weekly, your quick rundown of the latest in the investor world. Hit subscribe to stay updated and let's dive into today's hot topics. Let's go! First, let's start with some exhilarating news. The growth of Bitcoin in this bull market may exceed your expectations. Perhaps $200,000 is just the beginning. Check out these data sets. The proportion of long-term Bitcoin holders is about to reach a historical record of 80%. This is a terrifying figure. The higher this percentage, the more aggressive the subsequent bull run. In history, this was only achieved in 2016, and the massive bull market of 2017, where it shot from less than $200 to $20,000, a jaw-dropping 100x growth. This happened because big investors nearly emptied the exchanges. Remember, there are only 21 million Bitcoins. These investors have hoarded around 16 million. Considering the unmined ones, there might only be around 1 million left on exchanges. During a bull market, millions will scramble for these, causing the 2017 frenzy. This year, long-term holders have again accumulated up to 80% higher than previous years. This bull market is genuinely different. The slight growth of the early year bull market might seem small, but look at 2015, it was stable. But 2016 and 2017? Markets went berserk. In stock trading, there's a saying that the longer the market remains stagnant, the more explosive its growth. Bollinger Bands have records of this. The volume of long-term holders continues to rise, while the exchange volume keeps declining. The whales relentlessly gather assets from small investors, which is spine-chilling. Another essential factor for next year's bull market is the CGT, capital gains tax. In Europe and the US, regardless of whether you trade stocks or crypto, you need to pay tax on your gains. For instance, if BTC rises from $20,000 to $200,000, the $180,000 profit incurs a significant CGT. In countries like Australia, it can be as high as 40%. The more you earn within a financial year, the more tax you pay. Hence, many aim to earn just a bit every year to reduce this tax. If you hold and don't sell, you don't have to pay CGT. If you can hold for more than a year, the tax rate might even halve. Therefore, many Western investors are holders, selling just a bit every year. In Asia, markets like A-shares don't have CGT. This leads to constant fluctuations, as investors can sell everything once they profit. The absence of CGT considerations means the market barely progresses beyond a specific point, like the 3,000-point stagnation of the A-shares. This CGT difference results in most US entities being holders, like Elon Musk or Warren Buffett. Selling their stocks means paying almost half in taxes. They prefer long-term holdings, collecting dividends. Rich entities often borrow against their holdings to avoid taxes. For instance, Musk might collateralize Tesla stocks to borrow billions in cash for spending. This way, assets aren't sold, avoiding CGT, reducing market selling pressure and ensuring a long bull market. This is the secret to avoiding taxes by the rich and the reason behind prolonged bull markets in Europe and America. This principle also applies to BTC, which is why we believe the next bull run will surpass expectations. As for the game, Big Time, it's been a sensation since its release 3 days ago. Currently, only 3% of its currency is in circulation, with 97% yet to be unlocked. Including these locked assets, its total market cap has already reached over $1 billion, which is undoubtedly overvalued during a bear market. It's not suitable for long-term investment but might be intriguing for short-term trading. Such new projects usually maintain momentum for a few weeks. Moreover, Big Time has already been listed on Nasdaq's Coinbase with institutional support from the US. Most crucially, it hasn't been listed on Binance yet. Once it does, there might be another surge. The game itself is also pretty decent, so those with a higher risk appetite might consider short-term trades. Thank you for watching this week's episode of Morphlin Weekly. If you find our content helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Your subscription is our greatest support. Feel free to join our community for more interaction. Looking forward to seeing you next time.